All right.
Right, so that's the message on Saturday. So under number 1 you can see Pepperstone Smart Trader Tools.
Right.
If you click on that.
All right. Looks like it's downloading.
Yep.
So go to the David Toohey message on Thursday, August 6th.
Just click on that where it's downloaded.
Okay. Whoa, what is it doing here? Is it supposed to do that?
No, don't think so. just close that. Right, so you've which one is it? What's that top one? Just yeah, the top. So double click on the Pepperstone one.
Right here?
Yeah.
Double click. Yes.
Yeah, you need to click it again by looks.
Smart Trader Tools.
There you are.
Install.
Install. Yep.
Okay. Wow, that's quick.
Yep.
Okay.
Click that.
Click it off.
All right.
Click out of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So now go into your Pepperstone account.
All right.
And close your Pepperstone account.
Close it.
Close it.
All right.
All right. Now reopen Pepperstone.
All right.
Right, so if you go to your navigator screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, so if you scroll down to expert advisors. So see that about middle XLRRTD.
Drag it over.
Drag it over to Euro USD.
Any comments or inputs?
No, just click OK.
Kind of like the Auto Trader.
Yeah.
Excel. This is the right. Accept commands.
Just having a look on mine. I know mine's on there, but I can't actually see it. So yeah, I guess you got to accept commands.
And then X out.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Alright, so if you go back to Slack,
Let's go back to Slack. Okay.
and if you scroll down right to the last message that David sent, it's 18 trading version 1_2. There you go. So just go up to the previous message.
Right here?
Previous one, yeah. So see your download button on the top right hand side of the cloud, yeah, download that.
All right. All right.
Alright, so there you are. So click enable editing.
Hold on one second. Guys, I'm on a... All right, we're good. Okay, so what do we do now?
Click on enable editing.
Who's David?
David Tool.
Oh, David. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
I saw a trader's name. I said,
Right.
who the heck's David? Okay, so
Time area.
debug
Just press N.
and all right. Wow, this is intense.
Should be alright. So if you roll back up, you've got to change. You've changed tabs, yeah. So you need to change your the name there.
Right here?
Click on David. Yep. Click. Is that?
Is that okay?
Is that the trader name that you had up there? Was it, or was it SG?
Oh, I can't remember. Where was it?
Good question. I got no idea. All right, just click on that and see if that. So that hasn't changed it. So try SG.
I forgot the name I selected. Oh, it's not working. Oh, you know what? I think it was Jesus. Come on, man. Where do we find out? I forgot.
Yeah.
Is that why it's blinking?
Yeah, it could be. Try changing the account number to 1222544.
What is it again?
1222544. Okay, just leave it. Sydney G doesn't look right to me.
Maybe that?
I reckon it was either just your first name. I think, but Race model 2. Okay.
That's not it.
All right, so I don't remember, to be honest, if by see when I typed my name in there, it actually brought up the 544 automatically.
Oh, did it? Let me try SG. Oh, I've tried every variation. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's there as SG, so just leave it as SG for this point in time.
Okay.
I did send a message today, but he hasn't responded.
Oh, he's on. He's on now. Hello. We've been stuck on trader name for the last hour and a half. No, I'm just kidding. And we're figuring that's why it's blinking, because it's the wrong name. I was like, man, I can't remember. I know I picked something, but I forgot what it was.
Can't hear you, David.
He can't get on GoToMeeting audio. Can you hear him?
I can see him talking, but can't hear.
Yeah, he's on my phone on WhatsApp. He doesn't have audio on GoToMeeting. He can see, but he can't. He could talk, but no one can hear him except for me because I'm right next to it. Yeah, Andrew.
You can hear him, Sid.
Yeah, I can hear David.
Okay, I can't. That's all right.
Is there a way that you can dial in on the phone, Andrew? GoToMeeting? Like on your cell phone?
Yeah. Hang on. I'll hang up from this, Sid, and I'll go into GoToMeeting on my phone.
Okay, thank you, man.
Okay.
Bye bye. Yeah, he's gonna dial in.